gonna be like a combination video. Update for Logan, and we got some other stuff going on. So phone's doing something crazy. Logan went back in for chemo on Thursday, which was 28th. He's got this chemo, he gets out on Sunday, and then he's got another one next Thursday. Done with chemo, and it's looking like hopefully cancer free. That's what we're looking like. I mean, technically after the surgery he was cancer free, but you know, we got to go through some scans, some blood work, and so on afterwards, a few weeks after, but pretty much almost done. Like I said, he's in the hospital now, and he's doing good. He's just got to do his next 2 stays, and thank God it's to the end. It's been a long time coming. It seems like forever. So other than that, you know, well, past that, he's still got to learn how to walk. He's still having a hard time, because in the surgery they made his leg a little longer, so he's kind of off balance and doesn't really, he has a hard time with it, let's put it that way. But we're doing physical therapy, and we're doing as much as we can right now. After we get done with chemo, then it goes to 2 days a week physical therapy, so that should be good. Start getting faster recovery, but he's making headway, which is, he's getting stronger. I mean, the last physical therapy we had on Thursday, he was all like ready to go, like, you know, all kinds of energy. He was ready to go. So he has started school, you know, homeschool, and you know, between everything, chemotherapy, not feeling good, physical therapy, it's kind of a challenge getting him focused and getting the job done, you know, at school. But that'll change. You know, he'll start to feel better not having chemo anymore, and his body will be recovering, which will be good. It will be really good. He'll almost feel normal. But other thing is that you know, bills are piling up. There's just no way around it. I'm looking for work. I'm looking for side work. I got to start getting back ahead of the game, getting back to where financially, you know, the family should be. So I'll have some time after we get this all done, maybe do some work on the side, because work's not cutting it right now. And even when I go back to work 5 days a week, I don't even think it's still going to cut it. I'm still kind of looking for a job. I got several places I can go, but do I want to do it? Yes, no, maybe so, not sure. I got to talk to a few more people. So I'm in St. Clair County, like Port Huron, St. Clair. You know, I'll do work northern Macomb County. So if any of you guys need furnace, air conditioner, service work, let me know. And you can get a hold of me on the About Me page through my email. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. Leave a comment in the video, maybe. You know, we'll contact each other somehow, some way. But that's kind of it. What's going on right now? I just gotta, you bills, not so much medical bills, it's just regular bills, I mean, electric bills outrageous, phone bills outrageous. It's just, the bills are just piling up, and me not working, well, I've been working, but just not full weeks, hurts. Thank God for the donations through GoFundMe and other donations. It's just been a lifesaver. It really helps, because if I didn't have that, I probably would have been claiming bankruptcy by now. Because it's just financially stressful, all the extra running around, co-pays, you name it. It's just, medical bills, some of the stuff is just not covered by insurance. There's no way around it. So, if you could, please hit up the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo. If you could, if you can afford it. It's just, I'm just trying to stay afloat here. Anything and everything is appreciated. Try to get the family through this. I'm still going to have constant bills after that, medical bills, which it is what it is. But if you guys can help, I appreciate it. Like I said, looking for work. So if you guys need something done, doesn't matter how big, how small, contact me, see what we can do, see if we can work out a deal, and go from there. But yeah, this is like a combination update between me and Logan. Also, I haven't been posting too much online, on YouTube, just because it's been kind of goofy in the season. It's like right now it's almost October and it's like 80 degrees in Michigan, so people, for some reason, they gauge their maintenance and everything on temperature outside sometimes, and then all of a sudden it gets cold, people are turning on their furnaces and they're like, oh, I should have called like 2 months ago, but it was 80. So next week's going to be really slow, just due to the fact it's going to be 80s all week, the first week of October. And but I mean, we're still doing our maintenance at work. I've been doing a lot of in between, like installing a lot of boilers. Just last week I had 3 boiler installs. I mean, just a lot of boiler installs, which is good because it's before the season starts. A lot of boiler maintenance. So yeah, if you could hit me up and we'll see if we can cut some kind of deal on service, maybe furnace, boiler. So, but that's it for this update, and I will see you on the next one.